Hello and welcome to this video on how to play Word Mania. Once you have a name and login from your teacher, just head over to www.wordmania.com, hit the button for your region and hit the button for Student Login. You can also download the apps at iTunes or Google Play. Use your username and password to log in and you will find the Word Mania homepage. This page will show you your top 10 scores, any badges you've collected, as well as the number of gold and diamond tiles you have. But to collect those, we need to play a game. So let's get started. Let's hit the play button. Okay, now we hit start, and that will count us down into the game. So it's quite simple. I just drag letters from the board into the dock until I create a word. When I have a word that I think is spelled correctly, I hit the mark button, and that gives me some points. You can also see that the multiplier is going down. So if I get a word in before the multiplier finishes, that will increase the points on my next score. When I have done this 5 times in a row, a gold tile will appear. If I can use the gold tile in the word before the 10 multiplier finishes, my next word score is increased by 10 times. If I get 5 gold tiles in a game, a diamond tile will appear, which if I can use before the multiplier disappears, will give me 20 times on my next score. The only other things that you need to know is that you have 3 minutes to do as many words as you can, and the timer appears here. All the words that you create will appear on this list, so try to not do the same word twice. If you do spell a word incorrectly, the word won't be accepted and your multiplier will reset. This will also happen for any inappropriate words. Finally, if you want to know how your school is competing against other schools in your region, your teacher has access to a dashboard with this leaderboard. So that's basically all you need to know. Be as speedy as you can, make sure the words are spelled correctly, and use the multipliers to your advantage. Good luck and happy word building!